Hello everyone, if you're trying to play Valorant and your game will not open, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix Valorant not opening on your computer easily. So first of all, what you're going to do is you're going to open up your game, and once it's not launching, now you're going to open up your task manager. You're going to look for any processes related to Valorant or Riot games here. So we're going to search for Valorant, and as you can see there's nothing here. I'm going to search for Riot games, and as you can see I have just the client running. I'm going to close the client, and I'm also going to close Vanguard as well. So just close both of those, and then what you're going to do is you're going to open up your start menu. You're going to write here run, and then you're going to write here app data, and now you're going to go into local. You're going to search for the folder called Valorant here. So just press on any folder, press V on your keyboard. Then here it is. You're going to open it up, delete this saved folder. Don't worry, this folder only stores your temporary data, so just delete this folder. And once you're done with deleting this folder, now you're going to go to your Valorant directory. So my game is in my C drive. Here it is, Riot Games, Valorant, Live. And then you're going to right click on valorant.exe, click properties, then go into compatibility, click run this program as an administrator, and also click disable full screen optimizations. After that, click apply. Okay. And after that, you're going to open up your start menu again. You're going to write here run, and then you're going to write services.msc, and here you're going to look for the service called VGC. So just press on any service and press V on your keyboard. Here it is. Right click on it, click properties, click on to startup type. Make sure this is set to either automatic or automatic delayed start. And after that, click start, click apply. Okay. And then go ahead and restart your computer. And once you're done with the restart, now when you try to play Valorant, you'll see that your game will now work correctly, and you will not get that Valorant not opening problem anymore. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.